How's your thank you card collection? Is it equal to, less than, more than this? Well, you might be surprised how many times you do not need a thank you note. And I'll tell you all about them. Do you break into a sweat with even the thought of having company? I'm here to help. After trying just a few of my hosting tips, you'll be more than ready to say, come on over. Dear. Oh, caught me writing a thank you note because it's a social grace, which is a big deal in the South. Maybe in where you live too, but especially in the South, I have found. Well, a thank you note is a beautiful thing to send. In fact, it's a welcome thing. It must be handwritten because you can't save a text. Most people don't save those or emails, but they will come across a handwritten thank you note. So most situations, it is appropriate. But there are others where you really don't need to. And the first situation would be a party. Now let's say that you are about to retire and your company throws you a massive bash and it's expensive. Do you write a thank you note? Absolutely. That's the least you should do because that was expensive and someone went to a great deal of effort. So a thank you note to the whole company is wonderful. But let's say your coworkers join you out for lunch and it happens to be your birthday and so somebody orders the cake and people come over clapping. Do you have to send a thank you note for that? No. You can if you want to, but you don't have to. Or let's say that you're at a regular weekly or monthly event, like a book club, and somebody mentioned that your birthday was recently or you retired or something, and they bring out a cupcake and maybe it has a little candle on it. Do you have to write a thank you note to the whole book club that you see constantly? You don't have to. If you want to, sure, but you don't have to. Well, what about a church potluck, where they maybe stood up and clapped for you? Or let's say a block party where someone thanked you personally for getting it together. Do you have to get a thank you note for that or send a thank you note for that? No. So what you do is you really gauge the event and how much effort went into it by one or more people, how much expense went into it by a specific person or group of people, and then you gauge that. And you know what? Sometimes it's just fun to be off the hook.
I sense no danger here.
Let's talk about gifts. Let's say that you graduated from college and the gift to you was a new car. Do you write a thank you note for that? You better. That should be the least thanks that you offer that generous benefactor.
Oh my God. They bought us a house.
Likewise, a parental gift to a child is usually thanked by squeals of joy and hugs and thank you, Mom. That's usually good enough. If that child does write you a thank you note in their own home, if they do the, card and put it in an envelope, then you are one special parent. Lucky you, but it's not really required.
You were brought up right.
And then there's the actual thank you note. If you get the world's best thank you note of all thank you notes, do you then have to write a thank you note thanking the person who wrote you the thank you note for No, you don't have to do that. Don't start this thanking thing. Just graciously acknowledge best thank you note ever. I've actually done that with a text. I have sent a text saying best thank you note of all thank you notes. And it really was. And that was good enough. And finally, situations. So if someone has allowed you very graciously to live in their home while you are searching for more permanent lodging, the thank you note is the least of your thanks. But let's say that extended family gets together for holidays or birthdays or special occasions, and someone hosts. Maybe you host. Should you expect a thank you note from every family member for hosting? No, don't expect that. People will probably thank you in person. If you are thankful for someone else hosting, the least you can do is help them clean up, because that's what a good guest does. But do you have to send a thank you note? No, you do not. Likewise for bonfires or gatherings of family for any situation like a picnic, or even go somewhere, Arrington Vineyard or some sort of vineyard for a picnic. Do you have to someone for organizing all of that, for all of you to show up and have a picnic? No, you do not. Now, if you just really insist on using one of your varied thank you notes for that, you can, but you're not required. Is a thank you note always required to thank somebody for their generosity? Not always. And you know what? You can thank me for that little tip later. I'll be expecting it in the mail. And what about gifts? Well, if you got a brain fade like I just had, and someone appreciates even that little bit of effort you did to thank them for a job well done. That is not how I want to add that. Job well done. Write a thank you note. Be thankful. That gracious gesture will be thanks enough for a kindness someone else supplied to you. No, I can't land this plane. That social grace is just enough to thank for some. That tiny little note of thanks. I cannot land this plane because that little note of thanks is just what's needed to end this segment. Thank you for helping me end this segment because I clearly can't end it by myself.
Come on over. Now go make someone feel special today.